The Joint Task Force Operation Delta Save don put fire burn one vessel MV Ofoma wey dey loaded with 21,000 litres of illegally refined product wey dem suspect to be automotive gas oil wey you sabi as kerosene for Rivers State. Dem also burn one wooden boat join MV Ofoma wey dem allegedly dey use dey transfer the illegally refined products enter the vessel for the centre of the river for Port Harcourt. Una go remember say for last month, dem first gbab, destroy and burn one vessel MV Cecilia wey dem allegedly dey use take dey store and distribute illegal refined diesel. Maritime Component Commander Operation Delta say Commodore Oladeduku Siyambade kon yarn tori pipo say dem burn the vessel after the Nigerian Mainstream and Downstream Petroleum Regulatory Authority don confirm say the product na illegally refined one.
With the confirmation of the illegality of the product being stored by MV Ofoma, the vessel as well as the dug-in boat alongside it that you have seen as we came on board now, will today be handled in line with extant directives that you're going to witness shortly after now. Other intending criminals should note that Operation Delta Save will not relent in its efforts at going after economic saboteurs and will also ensure that crude oil theft and other related crimes are eradicated within the joint operations area. We are using this medium to urge the general public to continue to support the operations with credible information.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Port Harcourt, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.